Okay, question number 14 now. Statement assumed. Now consider P1. LHS is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1, and that is equal to 2. RHS is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So LHS is equal to RHS, that means P1 is true. Okay, so now let PK be true. That means 1 plus 1 by 1 multiplied by 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 and so on, 1 plus 1 by n is equal to n plus 1. Okay, now consider Pk plus 1. LHS part, it is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 2 and so on. This is actually k, this is actually k, मैंने k लिया हुआ है, तो 1 by k multiplied by 1 plus 1 by k plus 1, ये एक टर्म एक्स्ट्रा आ गया. अच्छा, रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? रिक्वायरमेंट होना चाहिए k plus 1 plus 1, दैट मीन्स k plus 2 प्रूव हो जाना चाहिए. यहां से लेकर यहां तक हम रिप्लेस कर देंगे. वैल्यू क्या है? k plus 1, तो ये आ गया k plus 1. इसका एलसीएम ले लेते हैं, तो एलसीएम आ गया नीचे k plus 1 और ये आ गया k plus 1 plus 1. ये दोनों कट गए, तो ये आ गया हमारे लिए k plus 2. दिस इज आवर RHS. दैट मीन्स P k plus 1 is true. Hence Pn is true for every n belongs to n. Proved. Okay.